Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how Adobe redefines the creation of images in Photoshop itself. It added AI to its Photoshop and this is just amazing. This is stunning. Press the like, press subscribe and just jump into my computer. Okay, so here we are in our Creative Cloud, and if you want to install the beta of Adobe Photoshop to try this out yourself, you have to go down here to the beta apps. And then you find a Photoshop beta. You can install it, and when it's done with installing, you can just open it here. So I opened already some pictures for you to show you the power of this tool. This is just stunning. This is amazing. So let me show you how this works. So I can select this wing of this little monster or cute monster here, and also I select this wing of this cute monster here, and I can click here on Generative Fill, right? And then generate. So what it's doing now, it's calculating the background behind these wings, and it's cutting out the wings and replacing it with an actual background so that it looks like this monster doesn't have any wings at all, right? So let's see how this looks like. This is amazing. I have no words for this. So let me zoom in here. See, you can see, right? I mean, it replaced the background. It also replaced here the hairs and fit, so that it fits together with everything, right? I mean, this is just a nice tool, right? So we can do, like, for example, just select here the eyes of that cute little monster and then go here and then say red eyes. Okay, so let's see what it's doing with that. I hope, I didn't try it before, so I hope this will just change the color of the eyes. Look at this. I mean, this is stunning. Can you see this? I mean, this is red eyes there. So we have like 3 versions here. Oh wow, that looks nice. And look at this eyes. I mean, these are, you know what, I want to try something else here. Just select the eyes again. So let's go here and we go to our original layer here. Oh, sorry, I have the wrong key here. So I want to select both eyes, and then we click here on generative and we say fire eyes and generate them. Okay, here we go. Look at these eyes. I mean, they are looking beautiful. Let's see the other options here Photoshop is giving. Wow, I mean, this looks like nice. I love this one. I love really these eyes. They are looking amazing. And here, whoa, look at these eyes. They are just popping out there. So what I really love here in Photoshop is that you have these different layers here, right? So we have here the wing layer. So this was the change with the wings. And then we have the red eye layer, and I can click on it. I can still change to the other version created there, right? So I really can go through my changes and see what fits me the best at the end. So we can always go back and change things and try out and do things, and I really love this here in Photoshop. So let's try something different. I have another picture open here. Okay, so here we go. This is the other picture, and what I would like to see is a cell phone in her hand. So what I do is I select the cup here, right, and her hand, and I just Generative Fill and write cell phone in her hand and say generate. So here we go. So what we can see is the cell phone here. Let's see the other options, right? I mean, looks good. I mean, what you can see is the difficulties AI always have with hands, right? It's like with all the AI image generators, they're always having difficulties creating hands. So, I mean, it looks pretty good. It really looks pretty good. This looks a little bit, and this hand, it's okay. Yeah, but so. Yeah, but you see what you can do, right? I mean, we can also do something else, putting something else in her hand. So what I want to try now here in this picture, because this is just perfect for that. So I want to add something down here because I want to see more of these girls. So what I do is now I go to image, I extend my canvas here. Just let's go for 1000. Let's go for 1400. Then we have almost a square. Or let's go the same, so we can create a square here. So let's do that. Okay, so then move it up a little bit. So what I do now is you select these white area, but you have to make sure you select something of the actual picture like this, right? So there is a little bit selected of the image, and then I click Generative Fill and just click on Generate. So here we go. This is the result, and yes, it looks strange here. So let's check out the other options here. So this one, I mean this. Wow, this is like fantastic, right? This looks real. I mean, this could be the actual image, right? So let's go for the third option. I think this looks even better. I mean, look at this. The legs are here. The hand is here. It looks like this is a photo we took, right? Amazing, amazing. So what I want to do is we go back to the image here and change the canvas size again and add to the left side of the image some of the width. So let's go here for 2000. Click on OK. So we have a white space here, and we select the same thing, right, like before, and fill this with a nice background here, so that should fit to the street. I mean, this looks amazing. We have a street here, we have the cars here, we have the house here, right? I mean, this is how the picture could look like. I mean, this is real, right? So let's just try to add a sports car here on that side, right? I just want to have a sports car here. So let's go here, type in sports car. Or now let's type racing car. And then generate this, and let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. So it added a car here. It changed a little bit of the background here. And you see the light of the car is lighting the street. That looks really nice. I mean, this is not really a racing, or maybe it is a racing car, but I would imagine a different car for a racing car. So let's see what are the other options here. This looks more like a racing car, but it could be also a taxi. What about this one? Yeah, this looks like a racing car. That looks like a Back to the Future or something, right? Like the wheels here. But the nice thing is that the light is lighting the street in front of the car, and it just blends into this scene. It just fits into the scene, and I really like that, how Photoshop is doing this. So guys, I think that's it. I mean, you can do like changing things, you can add things, you can extend your images. There are some limitations with the amount of pixels you can extend, because the image generator can only create images up to 1024 pixels. So if it's bigger than this, then it's getting a problem, or you have to make it in smaller paces. But I mean, this is stunning, and this is in Photoshop. This is not somewhere in Discord or in external software or on a website. It's just inside your Photoshop, and you can just, while you're working in your workflow, adding these things and changing these things, and let AI help you produce the output you want to produce with your image. So that's it. Press the like, press subscribe button, and I see you in the next video. Bye.